Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. First of all, welcome to Standard First. Okay, in today's class, I'll be taking your English 1 subject. Your favorite subject, English. Now before I start today's class, I'll show you some pictures. Have a look at it. Can you see this? What is this? Yes, this is a rat. R-A-T, rat. Have you seen a rat? Yes. How does it look? It has 2 ears, tiny eyes and a long tail. Now, children, I'll show you another picture. Have a look at it. What is this again? Yes, this is a cat. C-A-T, cat. Have you seen a cat? Yes. How does it look? It has 2 ears, 2 eyes, tiny nose and a tail. Now children, do you know that this cat and rat are not friends? They are enemies. Do you know why they are enemies? Because cat catches the rat and eats it. That is why whenever a rat sees a cat, he tries to run away and hides himself. Because if a cat finds him, she will catch the rat and eat it. Okay, so that is why cat and rats are not friends, but they are enemies. Now children, here is one poem where this rat is very smart, very clever. Do you want to study that clever rat poem where he tricks the rat and runs away? Okay, do you want to study? Yes. First of all, have a look at the topic. The first poem in your English 1 textbook is the. T-H-E, the. C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. R-A-T, rat. What is the name of the poem, children? The Clever Rat. The clever, smart, intelligent rat who tricks the cat and runs away. Shall we start studying the poem, children? Okay, but before that, I'll show you one picture again. Can you see this picture, children? Yes. What can you see in this picture? Yes. This is a cat. This is a tiny rat. This green color thing is a mat. And this piece is of cheese. Yummy cheese. You all love cheese. I know you all love cheese. And this tiny little rat also loves cheese. Now, children will read the poem and understand it. Okay? Pay attention. The clever rat. Okay? The smart rat. This is a little brown rat. This is a little brown rat. Can you see in the picture, children? Little brown rat? Yes. His name is Ratty. What is the name of the little rat? Ratty. R-A-T-T-Y. Ratty. Ratty is on the mat. Ratty is on the mat. This green colored mat. Where is Ratty? Ratty is on the mat. He likes to eat cheese. He likes to eat cheese. That is a fat black cat. Here is a fat black colored cat. What is the color of the cat? Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Her name is Blackie. What is the name of this cat? Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. Blackie looks at Ratty. She wants to eat him. This Blackie cat wants to eat Ratty rat. I told you na, cat eats rat. So she wants to eat Ratty. Ratty jumps up. But Ratty, I told you, he is clever. So what does Ratty does? Ratty jumps up. He is on the fan now. Can you see in the picture? The Ratty rat is on the fan now. He jumped on the fan. Blackie jumps up too. Blackie also jump up. She is also on the fan. Now Blackie is also on the fan. See in the picture. Blackie also jumps up. Ratty is clever. Ratty is clever. He jumps down and he jumps down. But Blackie cannot jump down so fast. This Blackie is fat. So she cannot jump down fast from the fan. Ratty says bye to Blackie. Now this Ratty, see, can you see? He is going out of the room. So what does he say? Bye bye Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. See, Blackie is on the fan and she is looking at the Ratty who is going out. Ratty runs out of the room and this rat who is down is running out of the room. Blackie is still on the fan. Now this Blackie cat is still on the fan. Did you see, children, how this Ratty rat tricked the Blackie cat? And he ran out of the room and this Blackie cat remained on the fan. Okay, children, do you understand the poem? Do you want to read it again? Shall we revise the poem again? Okay? Okay, let's revise it again. This is a little brown rat. This is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. His name is Ratty. Ratty is on the mat. Ratty is on the mat. He likes to eat cheese. He likes to eat cheese. That is a fat black cat. That is a fat black colored cat. Blackie looks at Ratty. Blackie looks at Ratty. She wants to eat him. Blackie wants to eat Ratty. Ratty jumps up. Ratty jumps up. He is on the fan now. Ratty jumps on the fan. Blackie jumps up too. She is also on the fan. Blackie also jumps up and she is also on the fan. Ratty is clever. He jumps down and he jumps down. But Blackie cannot jump down so fast. But Blackie cannot jump down fast because Blackie is fat. Ratty says bye to Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. Blackie is on the fan and Ratty is saying bye-bye. Ratty runs out of the room. See, Ratty is running out of the room. Blackie is still on the fan. Blackie is still on the fan. Children, so do you like the poem? Yes or no? Yes. Now children, after understanding this poem, we will look at some new words of the poem. So, look at the board and read with me. N-E-W, new. W-O-R-D-S, words. What have I written? New words. New words. Okay. So, the first new word is B-R-O-W-N. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Brown is the name of a color. Who was brown colored in the poem? Yes, Ratty. Rat was brown in color. Now, look at the second word. That is C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Yummy, yummy cheese. We all love cheese. Cheese garlic bread, cheese pizza, cheese sandwich. Yes, yes, that cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. But in the poem, who loves to eat cheese? Yes, Ratty loves to eat cheese. Now, look at the another new word. That is B-L-A-C-K. B-L-A-C-K, black. Black is a color name. Who was black colored in the poem? Yes, cat was black. So, B-L-A-C-K, black. The next word is J-U-M-P, jump. Jump. Who jump up on the fan? Yes, Ratty Rat and then Blackie Cat. Also, they jump up on the fan. Yes, very good. Then, next word is C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. Clever means smart, intelligent. Who was clever and smart? Yes, Ratty was clever. Rat was clever. Next word is fast. Fast. मैडम बोलते हैं ना, राइट डाउन फास्ट, रन फास्ट, बट हु जैम डाउन फास्ट? Ratty jump down fast. Next word is ROOM, room. Room. Okay? Room. Who ran out of the room? Yes, Ratty ran out of the room. The next word is DOWN, down. Down means नीचे, down. Next is RATTY, ratty. Ratty is a name of rat. That is why I have written R capital. And last is Blackie. Blackie was the name of cat. Now let's revise the new words again. BROWN, brown. CHEESE, cheese. BLACK, black. JUMP, jump. CLEVER, clever. FAST, fast. ROOM, room. DOWN, down. RATTY, ratty. BLACKY, blackie. So these are the new words of poem 1.